What's up everybody, this is Brian with Roulette Travel, and today we're going to be talking about a little bit something different. This is actually going to be a review about the RHIP backpack. Now, if you guys have been following along with my Instagram story at all, you've seen that RHIP has decided to sponsor me for this year with backpack. And something that's really cool about this pack, besides the fact that it's modular, I'll show you guys how it can actually take this part off and attach to a roller board. So that's been nice for me when I'm flying to different places. I've now got a great piece of luggage, but the big thing with these is they are watertight. That means they can be completely submerged with electronics in them. They've got a valve system that allows air to come in and out of the bag as you go to different depths. Oh yeah. So this can even be used as a dive pack. But no, could you make the RHIP beer bag bong? I don't know, but I'm not gonna find out. Now, for a lot of you videographers, photographers, people that have expensive equipment that can't get wet, but you're out in the field, this bag could be a serious addition. You know, I want to get a shot across this little river here. To get over there, I could try to hold my gear above my head and hope that, you know, I tread water the whole way or don't slip, but that's a couple $1,000 gamble that I don't want to take. So, we're gonna load it up here. I'm gonna take my DJI Osmo as well as my phone, and we're gonna swim across there. As you can see, this is a pretty heavy duty zipper here. And now that latches all the way into place there. So yeah, I just swam across that wearing the backpack with all of my camera. Everything survived. There was not one drop of water inside of the RHIP bag after I got out with it. Well guys, there you have it. So the RHIP pack is as waterproof as it claims to be. And as always, if you liked and enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. We're gonna be doing some more hikes, gear reviews, a little bit of everything.